Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home, the go-to place for all things smart home. Today, we've got an important topic to cover: how to factory reset your SimpliSafe doorbell. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or preparing to sell or give away your device, a factory reset is the way to go. Stick around, and we'll guide you through the process step by step. Before we jump into the reset process, make sure to grab your SimpliSafe doorbell, a small pin or paperclip, and have your smartphone handy. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Disconnect from power. The first step is to disconnect your SimpliSafe doorbell from its power source. If it's hardwired, turn off the power at the breaker. If it's battery-powered, remove the batteries. This ensures a clean break from any active connections. Step 2. Locate the reset button. Next, locate the reset button on your SimpliSafe doorbell. It's usually a small pinhole, and you might need that pin or paperclip we mentioned earlier to press it. If you're unsure where it is, check your user manual or visit the SimpliSafe website for guidance. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button. Now, it's time to press and hold the reset button. Use your pin or paperclip to press it and hold for at least 15 seconds. You might see a light indicator on the doorbell change during this process. Keep holding until the light indicates a successful reset. Step 4. Reconnect power. With the reset completed, it's time to reconnect power to your SimpliSafe doorbell. If it's hardwired, turn the power back on at the breaker. If it's battery-powered, insert the batteries. The doorbell should power up, indicating that the factory reset was successful. Step 5. Reconnect to the SimpliSafe app. The final step is to reconnect your doorbell to the SimpliSafe app. Open the app on your smartphone, navigate to the device settings, and follow the on-screen instructions to add the doorbell back to your system. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy guide on how to factory reset your SimpliSafe doorbell. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more smart home tips and tricks. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.